If I call upon your name, not take too long. Remember the rules? If it take too long to respond, you know what me I gonna do. Me just gonna lock you out of the class. It's as simple as that. Alright? When I have the time for waste or wait for time because hurry for answer. Whether you know the answer yes or no, I call you, you must say yes sir, me no understand. It is even that. But don't have me a call name, I mean not hear nobody. That not gonna work. Alright? Now first we're going to recap um just a short little recap in for you guys would have a test to do based on computation. So just going to have a short recap for computation. I don't expect anybody to be doing the test before the recap. You know, one brave soldier tried it and they fell on their sword. So I hope that that brave soldier will not do such a thing again. All right, but good attempt, you know. But there are some lessons to learn from that, which we'll look at that soon. Okay, recapping computation. It'd be nice if you guys have your webcam on, so that even for a couple of minutes, so that persons who are viewing the recorded session will know that it's a real class and not a joke class. Okay, I'll ask you to do me that favor. It'd be nice if one or two of you could turn on the webcam. I feel lonely in the class. All right, now in computation, we have fractions. We have fractions. Let us list some of the concepts first of all that we have in computation. So we have fractions. Now we have multiplication of fractions. Thank you, children. Division of fractions. We also have addition of fractions, subtraction of fractions. All right. Now the question can come in different forms. It can come as a word problem, somebody's nightmare. It can come as a regular format as you would see it, where you have two fractions together, or you have a pair of fraction over another pair of fraction, etc. But always bear in mind the basics first. All right. So we have fractions, we have ratio, which is associated with fractions. We have proportion. We have direct proportion, and we also have I think we did decimals, significant figures, and we also had um what else? We also had decimal significant figures standard form. Okay. Now we won't spend a lot of time on this though. All right, because you'd have already watched the videos, you'd already done the worksheets, etc. No, but why I'm spending some time on this, a bit of short time, is that when you're doing the test, there are some symbols in the test. Now, let us say that you had a fraction like this. Let's say 2/3. We're not working out anything. I just wanted to see what the test is like, how you're supposed to look at it. Plus, say, a half. Okay, and then you have another fraction below here. And just say 2/5. Now, on your standard exam, you'd have seen it like this, right? But in the Edmodo setting, how I wrote it, this is how it's going to look. Two thirds, that's 2/3, plus 1/2. And then the double bar means over. And then you have 2/5. Please make note of that. So when you're doing the test, you don't make no mistake in writing the wrong answer. All right? Good. So we're not spending the time really on this, right? We want to get the algebras out of the way. No. All right. What other thing we need to look at? Decimal significant figures of standard form. Now, when you're writing the standard form responses to your questions, and students, you have to learn to pay attention to instructions given. When you don't do that, you're going to get things wrong. All right. What else now? Standard form. All right. The regular thing for a standard form expression, let's say we had 4,567, and you were to express this in standard form. Then this is what you'd have write if it was a standard paper you're writing on. Let's put it the right way. So you'd have had 4.567, and then you're going to put in a multiplication sign. 10 raised to the power of. Can anybody tell how much it's raised to? Based on those who have watched the video, how much is it actually raised to?
3.
Thank you very. Wow. Wow. Very good. Somebody is coming on. Ah, yes, sir. Wonderful, Trudy. Wonderful. Yeah, wonderful. Today. That's good Sunday, man. Happy Sunday. All right. Good. No, but in terms of the test now, just like on your worksheet, this is how you'd have written it. 4.567, and you use the asterisk times 10, and this symbol here to raise it. Sorry. What are you doing here, Sonny? Times 10 and raise it. You realize that when I press the asterisk looks like this. Not the asterisk, the V-shaped thing, upside down V, it gives me this via the computer when I type it on the board. So when I type it in the text box now, see what happens. There's 4.567 times 10, and here's a symbol raised to the power of 3. That's how I expect it to write the answer. So if you don't write the answer like that, you're going to get it wrong. You're going to get it incorrect. So this is how you're supposed to write the answer for your standard form type of questions on the worksheet that I've given you, and also on the test that is awaiting you both, or you all rather. All right? So please bear these things in mind. The double bar here and the asterisk, which means multiply, raised to the power of 3. That is how I want you to write it. Good? All right. So those persons who were supposed to 100% didn't get the 100% is because they did not follow the instruction. All right. No oversight anything. Now, before going any further now, is there any problem that anybody had that you want me to look at before we start the algebra class? Is there any problem that anybody had? Nobody had any problem? Okay. Yeah, mama see I wide open, but I'm glad to see you camp open, you know. Okay. Don't bother turning it off. Keep it on. Nicole, you can turn off if you want to, you know. All right. Now, we're going to start the marathons in March. Just want to give you by way of notice. Our marathon class will begin with March. Our marathon class is like this. Um, we give you longer times. So maybe some Saturday nights, we'll have some class on Saturday nights. And we might work from 8 o'clock go up to 12 o'clock, thereabout, 4 hours. So you'll be having marathons. The language teacher class, where I'll speak with her. We'll be doing some marathons, all right, etc. So please bear that in mind. We'll start in March. Not sure if we'll start the first week, but somewhere around the second to the third week we'll start in March. The rules are still the same. You'll not be allowed in the class session if you have not done the assignments. Because obviously you cannot participate in the marathon if you don't do the assignment. All right. Now we'll be sending more than one assignment per week now because time is going. We're gonna make it the express. So we'll be sending at least two assignments per week, 2 to 3 assignments per week, so that you have to spend the day to watch the lesson, make your notes, get the worksheet done. That has to be done. So we can cover as much ground before the end of March. Is that clear? So by the end of March, we should finish the mathematics syllabus. By the end of April, I should say, we should finish the mathematics syllabus in total. All right? Good. So please ensure that you follow all the necessary instructions. Ladies, it is vital that you do your assignments. Um, I don't know if Miss Banton wants me to do this, but I want to do it. I want to do it. There's somebody in the class that was a member for our teaching staff and he knows the importance of assignments and did very well. The group was 100% pass, and so this person knows our principles. This, some other time you guys can speak, but she will let you know that it's crucial that you do assignments. All right, we can only assist you if you do the assignments. Okay, Nicole, make sure assignments are done. Now, when you're preparing for the test, when you're preparing for the test, I'm going to mute. I'm going to mute. Yes, thanks. When you're preparing for the test, you have to practice from a textbook. Go and Google some worksheets, and you find some worksheet answers, and you practice before you do the test. The test is like the exam itself. If you can score high grades in these tests, then it's saying to us that you're on the right track. But if you're scoring low grades, you're not on the right track, right? Because it's not the worksheet that the examiner is going to mark, it's the test, it's the exam. So please ensure that you practice before you do the test. That's why I give you so much days for the test to be submitted. Practice before you do each test. Clear? All right. So we have some time in this session. All right. Please remember now, every 40 minutes you will log out. I'm going to ask to write the notes on this side quickly. Then we'll move into this side of the board. So write all the notes on this side quickly in your notebooks, please. When you're finished writing, please to let me know. Thank you. You finished the English test? Desktop? I use a model laptop. Oh. Okay, Andrew, sorry, welcome. Welcome aboard. Andre, we've seen you. Welcome aboard, sir. Welcome aboard. We are currently in the class. They are just writing off some notes. That is on this side. If you can hear me, you can join them and write off the notes right here. This is Mr. Bernard. I'll speak to you later. All right. Give me a second. All right, let's continue. Everybody's ready now? Everybody finish writing them notes? Everybody finish writing them notes? Judy, finish writing notes? Judy, are you through writing your notes?
No, I I don't finish it, sir.
No, sir, me finish.
Okay. Who don't finish it? Nicole don't finish it?
Which is right. I'm not finished.
Okay. Give me a second. Chanel, you finish? Andre, you have to turn on the audio. You have to turn on the audio. Alright. Think there's having some internet issues. Alright, let us go now. While you're still trying to write your stuff, some persons are having internet issues. But class is being recorded, so no problem. Alright. The topic here says addition and subtraction of algebraic terms. Simplify each of the following algebraic expressions. Can somebody give me the answer for A, please? Should I call on a name or you tell me right away? Or should I concentrate on where? Should I call on a name? Trudy, what's the answer?
Sir, me no work it out yet, sorry.
Okay. Nicole? Nicole?
No, I don't work it.
I want to take so long for work out. Want to do something here? Yes, Andre. You hear me now, Andre? Let me click on audio for talk. Andre? Now I hear you. Andre having some internet issues. Andre? You have to sort out the internet issues on that thing. Alright. Chanel, you finished working it out yet? Okay, Andre. Seems like your audio coming up. Didn't hear you though. Chanel, are you finished working out A for this one? Chanel, are you there?
You hear me now?
Yes, I'm here now. What's that? You did the workout A as yet?
I just want to know if I have 7x plus x, can I put like 7x with a little 2 on top?
No. You're not multiplying, you're
I
adding.
can.
No, you're not multiplying, you're adding.
Oh. 7x minus 12x.
No, that answer is incorrect. Nice try, but answer is incorrect. Um, Judy, you ready? Chanel, meet the mic, please. Judy,
Sir,
are you ready?
28.
20x. You want to tell Chanel how you got that answer?
7x plus 1x, that's 8x. Then I add 12x to the 8x, you get 20x.
Okay. You understand that, Chanel, or you want further explanation?
You know me need further explanation. What happened to the minus?
There's no minus there. It's strictly plus.
But I'm seeing 7x plus x minus 12x.
You're not seeing that. You need a pair of eyeglasses.
What? I'm sure that's what I'm seeing.
Well, you're not seeing that at all. All right, but for the benefit of those who need eyeglasses, when we say 7x, right, it means x. This is for my viewers.
All right.
Oh, you see it
In
now?
just no, what I'm seeing now is minus, but I took a picture of it before, and on the phone it says 7x plus x plus 2x, but now I'm seeing it as minus.
No, there's
I
no
don't
minus
know
there.
why.
I don't know why, but there's no minus. All right, take a picture and send it to me. Let me see what you're seeing.
All
All
right.
right, okay. So it's x plus x plus another x. They have in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5x here, 6x plus another x. So this is what 7x means. For those who did not know, this is what 7x means. 1, 2, 3. Welcome back, Chevel. Yeah, so what 7x really means is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and another x. So that's 7x's. So 7x really means 7x's. So if you were to remove the number from the 7 and write them out as 7x, you add another x, you get 8x. And you remove the 12 and you write them out as 12x, you add in 12x's to the 8x, and you give you 20x. So that's basically what the how it's supposed to be done. Job well done, Julian. On fire this evening. I wonder how long you'll be on fire for. And let's hope you'll be on fire for the rest of the class. All right, let's move on to the next one. All right, it is now B. We're looking at B minus 5x minus 8x minus x. There's nothing to work out here. So, anybody has an answer here? Chevelle, they just came on. You want to give us an answer? Minus 15x minus 8x minus x. What's the answer for this?
24x.
24x. Well, just 24x like that?
No, sir, sorry. Negative 24x.
Okay, very good. Very good, very good, very good. Very good. Alright, Shannon, I'm seeing it. I don't know if it's the internet by chance, why it looks grainy. But see if you can maximize the screen. Maximize the screen and see if it looks better for you. Alright? Everybody seeing it as clearly positive and negative symbols clearly. The negative 24x. Thank you very much, miss. Alright.
Yeah, that worked. That worked.
When you maximize it work. Okay then. Thank you very much, miss. Yes, Nicole, your turn now. C, 9x minus 5x.
Sir, are you going to explain the B?
B is the same thing as C. Alright, let me explain B before Nicole comes in. Give me a second there, Nicole. Alright.
Thank you.
You're welcome, man. Now, when you see everything in negative, right? Let's say this. So all the like terms can be added or subtracted. When rearranging an expression, a term takes a sign in front of it. Expressions can be simplified by collecting like terms. All right. Now, when you have everything is in minus, you basically add up everything, and then you put back the sign. It takes a sign, right? It's like, for instance, I owe somebody. Well, I'm scratching my head right now. I owe somebody, and somebody lent me $20. I owe them the $20. I go back to them again and I ask them for another money, but this time I ask them for $30. And I still owe them. So I owe them $50. So every time I owe is a negative sign, right? So I don't know how much I owe them, but it's a negative sign same way. Does that explain it, Chanel? Does it explain it?
A little bit, a little bit.
A little bit. All right. So what we're saying then, all right, what we're saying here is then, what we're saying here is that somebody borrowed $15 from you, but they have not paid you back as yet. But the person come back again and borrow another $8 from you. They have not paid you back as yet. And they come back and borrow $1 from you. They still haven't paid you back as yet. So in all, they owe you $24. See, but you have not gained that 24. It is owed to you. They use a negative sign. Is that clear? It's clearer? Is it clearer?
Yeah,
Okay
it
then.
is.
It should be clear to you. All right. Let us continue. Let's continue. All right. Nicole, what's the answer now? Come in, please.
4x.
4x. Wonderful. All right. Let me explain how that 4x comes in for the viewers. How much score you get? How much you get? Let me see it. Turn it around. Let me see it. Just turn it around. Let me see. You want to make sure you get that. All right. Go on and do some more tests. That's 78. That's not 90. Oh, 90 there as well. That's what, English language? Which one that? Let's move on to English language now. Alright, I get how much? Same thing.